It's time to plant our garden. Okay, not quite out here yet. Welcome to Hands On Family. I'm Amanda and I'm so glad to have you here. Today we're going to start our seeds indoors, and for flowers and peppers I highly recommend a heat mat. That's the one that I use. I take out the cells and then add in the heat mat in the bottom, and then I put the cells in before I add the dirt. And then I fill them with the pre-wet dirt. I soak the dirt in water until it's about a brownie type consistency. You don't want it to start out dry. And then you just fill all the cells with the dirt, and this time I'm doing it outside because it was 70 degrees out and it was gorgeous, and I didn't want to clean up a mess inside. Because I did have my little helpers helping. And in this video we are planting my pepper plants, which is why I have the heat mat underneath. To label them, I am using painter's tape with a Sharpie. I figured that that was the best way to label them for now until I can find some better labels. My flowers that I planted, I had done with labels that when I sprayed, they wiped off. So I'm not entirely sure what some of my flowers are, but that's why I'm doing it this way with the peppers. And then I find that it's easiest to label ahead of time, and then I have my seeds laid out to the side of me, that's so I can just grab and put each one. And I am double checking to make sure I put the right ones in the right rows. So I start a variety of peppers. We have bell peppers, we have a bunch of jalapeno peppers that we start, banana peppers, Anaheim chili peppers, and a few others. So that's what we are starting here, is all of those. And the reason that you start them on a heat mat is because they propagate faster when they have the heat, because they like warmer temperatures. So that is why I use that for the peppers. I don't use it on all of them. I should have used it on my flowers. But that is that. And then here is a clip of my kids who were also working beside me, getting their plants started. They each started either strawberries, tomatoes, or a basil plant using the pucks, and then it's like a coffee filter with the seeds on it that they put into their containers. So each one did their own, even the 2-year-old did his with a little bit of help. And if anyone has an easier way to do this, let me know, because it was definitely a little bit challenging to get it out and back into the cup. And then just spray the coffee filter type thing with the seeds, and then you just add a little bit more dirt. And this is our outdoor garden. It is actually in the works this year, and we are super excited. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Bye.